friend. Today I'm showing you how can you use this payment method. Just click on this and this will come second, debit card this will come third, and board payment this will come fourth. And also this is the line. This is the color that is now changing. So what do you have to do? First, you just have to do click on this. You have to use if function. If then logical test. This one equal these things, then comma, then you have to select revenue age group, then comma, then if false, there is nothing. Will be C. So what I have to do, just click on if function in logical test, that is this one equal this, and you have to just log this. After this, comma, if true, so then it will be age group. Then just write on it. If I then comma, if I didn't, so just enter. See, I have just got this. You can just click on it. Now you just change on it. See, you can see this easily. Thank you so much.